And this all started when one of the members of that family was simply told that he could not bring his pocket knife into Canobie Lake Park. Things just simply escalated from there. And today, 3 of the family members involved were back in court. It's our first look at the June 16th fight that injured a Salem police lieutenant and landed 5 members of the same family in jail, 3 of them facing riot charges. Security cameras at Canobie Lake Park rolling as the fight erupts right outside the park's front entrance. Lieutenant Michael Kelly, one of the officers on the scene, says the fight started as 23-year-old Joshua Perry, seen in the video with the green shirt, was being placed under arrest.
He immediately pulls away, tries to pull his arms away from us.
Officers immediately struggle with Perry and his 18-year-old brother Brian, wearing the black shirt, and their 45-year-old father Alan. At one point, Brian wraps his arms around one of the officers with his hand dangerously close to the officer's gun. Once wrestled to the ground, the arresting officer punches Brian several times before his father pulls at the officer's uniform and tugs him off of his son. Moments later, and once again with the officer attempting to subdue him, Brian resists and then gets thrown down to the pavement. All 3 were in court today facing charges of felony riot. Their attorneys arguing, however, the charge of riot fails to meet the statute, which states at least 3 people acting together.
At no point does it appear that E. Alan Perry and the individual identified as Brian Perry are working in concert with a third person, and the statute clearly states 2 or more.
Prosecutor Jason Grosky, however, pointing out that this Vermont family at no point acted alone.
There's an attempt being made here to try and separate these acts out into separate periods of time. They're not. It's all part of one riotous melee that these guys all engaged in, and they all took part in, acting together as a unit.
And today's was a probable cause hearing, after which the judge did rule that this case can in fact move forward. Talking about that officer who took this stand, Lieutenant Michael Kelly injured his shoulder. As a result, he is still not able to return to work. Live in Salem this afternoon, I'm Reed Lamberty, WMUR News 9.